Science of Learning Library is a work which has resulted due to a number of years of our work on assessment, the large-scale data that we've got based on the assessments, and the pedagogical research leading to the insights that we were able to gather from that assessment data. As educators, we found it very puzzling to see where the state at which medicine is today and where education is. So just to give an example, if we search for a question like what percentage of people in the world have diabetes, and if you just Google that, you'll get a very precise number in terms of X percentage have diabetes. But at the same time, if you Google for a question like what percentage of students in the world can do 2-digit multiplication, there's no clear answer to that. So I think that's the difference between the state of medicine and the state of education. And the underlying hypothesis that we have is that there exists a science of learning which can tell us how students learn and how we can actually provide input so that students are able to learn a particular concept or a particular subject. The entire idea of Science of Learning Library is to provide that sort of a platform, a common language that everyone, all the educators, all teachers can probably talk about. On one hand, it has a very clear list of skills which students need to master by a given grade. It has a list of misconceptions or common errors that students make in a variety of topics. It also has assessments in terms of what teachers can use in order to check whether the students have mastered that skills or not, or whether they have a specific misconception or common error or not. There are resources for teachers which they can use to remediate those misconceptions as well. All this is backed by data that we have collected over the number of years. If we are able to build an exhaustive resource like this for the teachers, for the educators, they will be able to better use these resources and deliver the learning outcomes with the hope that students everywhere will learn with understanding.